Are you looking for the best ultrasonic face cleanser in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best ultrasonic face cleanser that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Renew Skin Scrubber Sonic Exfoliation Device. The Renew Skin Scrubber Sonic Exfoliation Device firms the skin and reduces wrinkles. To add, it uses a hygienic dermatological grade steel edge. Along with it is a sonic vibration exfoliate. With this, it peels away the dead skin. Also, it extracts dirt, oil, sebum, and blackheads. However, this device requires a wet skin before use. This ensures the best effect and output upon usage. This face cleanser device has 2 functions in one. Vacuum your pores and exfoliate simultaneously. Besides that, this is the final step for attaining a perfect skin. The Renew Skin Scrubber Sonic Exfoliation Device guarantees you your money and time's worth. Moreover, it has quick, effective results. With this, stay free from products promising you results in a week. Also, it features a built-in blue LED sanitizing light. Thus, add an extra layer of sanitization as you operate Renew. At number 4, CloudFactory Sonic Ultrasonic Face Cleanser. The CloudFactory Sonic Facial Cleansing Brush is a new and innovative skincare tool. Designed to purify your complexion while removing oil, dirt, and residues. Additionally, it details a soft silicone design. Also, it features a heating function on the back of the facial brush. Hence, allowing the cleansing gel and foam to penetrate deeper. With this, achieve a more profound purification. Along with that, the CloudFactory Sonic Facial Cleansing Brush is IPX7 waterproof. Also, it makes use of a wireless charger. As a result, it removes the hassle of tangled cords. Furthermore, it is durable and sturdy. The structure entails with super soft, top-grade silicone material. Consequently, a heavy-duty product that will last for years. At number 3, UMICKOO Blackhead Remover Pore Vacuum and Ultrasonic Face Cleanser. This pore vacuum is the solution to a rough textured face. The UMICKOO Blackhead Remover Pore Vacuum is a 3-in-1 facial cleaner. With this, it has a rotating brush, a blackhead vacuum remover, and a triple skincare system. Thus, get a perfect skin with just a few minutes a day. In addition, the vacuum remover has 3 suction levels and 4 suction probes. From this, it is effective for deep cleansing of blackheads, whiteheads, dead skin, grease, and makeup residue. Moving forward, the UMICKOO Blackhead Remover Pore Vacuum packs an advanced technology. It has 3 cleansing levels and 5 brush heads. Hence, delivering superior cleansing on hard-to-remove residues. Besides that, it is gentle enough for daily skin use. Suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. To sum up, this pore vacuum packs most services that you'll need. A totally worth it skincare companion. At number 2, NuFACE Anniversary Complete Facial Toning Kit. This award-winning NuFACE Anniversary Complete Facial Toning Kit has 3 powerful treatments. It can tone, lift, and contour facial muscles in just 5 minutes. Also, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Thus, everything you need in one kit. Besides that, it is FDA cleared and esthetician approved. From this, steer away from your doubts and worries. Moreover, it includes NuFACE's Hydrating Leave-On Gel Activator. With that, it ensures the microcurrent down to the deepest facial muscles. Apart from that, it has a full face wrinkle treatment. The solution to your unwanted wrinkles for a younger look. What's more, it includes lip and eye attachments as well. As a result, no parts of your face are left unhealed. Experience an effective full facial experience. At number 1, Qukot Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber Spatula. The Qukot Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber Spatula has 28 kelvins high-frequency ultrasonic vibrations. This is the peak frequency value ever in the market. As a result, it brings the most effective deep facial cleansing. Apart from that, it features a blue light technology. It penetrates the pores and activates chemicals inside. From this, it causes stabilization of skin oil levels of the face. Hence, a solution to people experiencing oily faces. In addition, the Qukot Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber Spatula is effective for removing dead skin cells, sebum, blackheads, comedones, and other grime. Furthermore, it helps improve skin texture and tone, often leading to a smoother, brighter skin overall. Not to mention, it supports infusion mode too. Consequently, bringing other skincare products deeply into your skin, thus, unlocking your skincare products' full potentials. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.